shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, so this footage is what was left of the last video, but I forgot to do an intro and all that, so I'm all clean shaven now, so you'll see the beginning and the end. I look like this. The rest of the movie, I don't know. The rest of the video. Damn, watch this movie. Anyway, I digress. Basically, we're just making a Kydex sheet, so if you want to see how this is made, bam. There we go. I was going to add some sharpening, but this is a zero grind, and it's sharp already, so I'm just going to hit it on the stone. So I'll just leave that part out. I'll make sure to put my website up in the cards. I got these 3 knives I'm working on, so I got to get busy. Hopefully I'll have something up there. Someone was asking about this, but if they don't buy it, then it'll be up on my website. Website's up in the cards. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Let's just get to it. I've already got the knife all taped up, the thing behind it. I'll put a link up to how I do on my Kydex here, because there's no use in showing the whole thing. I got my piece cut out, all that good stuff. I almost forgot, I bought these heat-resistant gloves. They're supposed to be for like barbecues and stuff. I think they're supposed to be like 600-700 degrees, 800, maybe, no, 1400 degrees I think it was. So we'll see how they work out. If you watch that last Kydex video I did, man, I was sitting there holding the Kydex on and it burned my hand. So hopefully this is a little bit better. I got the oven cooking up. Let's see where we're at. We're at 200. Let me get the clamps out. I almost forgot that. Man, I have been crazy busy. I've been working on this one video for a week now. I think I just got my tattoos on my fingers done when I started this. That was over a week ago. This side is saying 350, 330. Let me get my gloves on. We'll throw it on there. I had to get the double XL. My big fat hands. And they're still tight. I wonder if it... You think it matters? Both sides feel... both ways I put it on feel backwards. Me and my backwards ass of doing everything. There we go. Alright. Yeah, I don't feel any heat. Either side, so I guess both sides don't matter. Ah! Oh man, why is it we have to see how it works first? Yep, it burned the shit out of me. No, this piece is too small. Plus look, when I flipped it on its back, that's why, man, my mind is somewhere else. Let me cut another piece. My mind's on my folders, I'll tell you what. Get these ridiculous gloves off my hands. I used to rush this because I thought it would, freeze up or whatever, but man, you got time. It's better to take your time and make sure everything's straight and flat than pick it up and it's all curved and all messed up and all out of whack. And well, they work. Guess I had to put these down in my Amazon links too. I was messing with these while I was over there, that's why I got the mask on. Here we go. Oh yeah. Nice definition, as always. Boom. See, this is what I was talking about before. You want to set it in, you get it all straight and nice. This is all getting cut off and stuff, so I'm not really worried about all this. But yeah, this is all nice and smooth and in there right and all that, and it'll sit straight. Yeah, look at the camera thing and trying to talk. There we go. You can either lay it out and cut it out or drill it out first. It doesn't really matter. I always make it a lot bigger than it is. I keep forgetting, I'm looking for my eyelets. I'm trying to be more organized so I keep everything together. I was looking everywhere for my tech log and it just dropped on the ground. I guess when I pulled out the skillet and all that. Where do we want our first one? Here it comes down right there. The first one right there. See, with the definition of this, you can kind of follow it. Then you can go every other one if you want. Alright, so this is coming up. It's always good to make it bigger though. Alright, like I said, you can drill it or cut it first, it doesn't matter. I'm not going to set up for the drill, but so we'll get to the bandsaw, but I'm going to drill it first. Let's see. Whew, man, that don't even have eyelets in it or nothing. Good Lord. To the grinder. So I got my 1/4-inch bolts in there. It's not going in. So we're gonna have to, first I'm gonna shape it on the flats and get it all smoothed out how I want it and all that. Then I'll put the small wheel on and we'll go from there. That was funny. If I caught that, I'm gonna leave that in. That belt climbed right over my shoulder. See, I didn't even touch it. I think for some reason now, the torque, I guess, from the new wheel, but. I had to take a lot out of that one. But when I put the thumb ramp in, it should be alright. I'm gonna clean it up, buff it up and all that, and then we'll put the eyelets in. I went ahead and I put it on the buffer and got this all smoothed out and all that. I did the thumb ramp. I got plenty of Kydex videos, so I'll put those up in the cards to show you how I do the thumb ramp and all that stuff. But I went and I cleaned it all out. You want to make sure it's all clean. You know, inside is spotless, because any stray pieces of Kydex will scratch your blades. This is gonna be the right side, so we want them out this way. It doesn't really matter. I mean, sometimes I wear sheets that I made for right-handed people on my left side, so. And a left-handed person's always in a right-handed world, so. Make sure they line up. Boom. Alright, let's get this all cleaned up. Let me get these eyelets put away. Alright, let's put this away. Make it a little bit long. I try to keep my head out of this camera. It drives me crazy when I'm editing. And I edit this overshot and all you can see is the back of my bald ass head. I think I got a bald spot right here. I'm just combing it wrong. Let me get that skillet back out. All we need is a carpenter's pencil or something small like that to hold back here for when it goes over. Let's see if we even tape that down while the oven's heating up. Alright, let's see if we can tape a piece under here. We just want that so it's up so we can have somewhere for the screws to go. I learned with the Kydex, if you can push it in good enough, you can actually see the holes for drilling. But we'll have to see. Get my heat gloves on. And the first part, I think I did these inside, so let's do these inside. Both sides feel like they're on backwards no matter which side. Yeah, and you just pull it tight. And then let it just like set up. That's why you need the heat gloves. Even if you're gonna do this in the oven, you still need to hold it tight and let it set up. Yeah, boom, we can see our holes there. So now we know where to drill. Both sides we got holes, so we know where to drill. I'm just gonna go straight through from the front though. I'm not gonna sit here for 5 minutes on the camera. Then we just use this, because this is what I'm using. I just drilled those 2 holes. So now I'm gonna lay this out where I want it. Drill one here. And one here. Boom. So I just went and I cut it on the bandsaw and shaped it, and just the same thing, buffed it out and all that. I'll tell you the trick though, these things, you have to kind of open it up and then push them in and then put the stoppers on and kind of put your thumb behind it and then screw them in. I didn't feel like recording that because it's just me 5 minutes throwing things around and losing them and dropping them and fighting them. And so let's get this tape off, get this all cleaned up, make sure there ain't nothing on it. Here we go. No play at all. Pow! Yeah, man. Alright, all we got left is sharpening. I think I'm gonna put it on the grinder and sharpen it. So, but that's tomorrow. I got these folders to work on. And there we go. It seems like just a second ago I was doing the intro. Yeah, man. Alright, I gotta put some rubber stoppers in here, because when you tighten this down, it actually makes it tighter. So if your sheath is ever a little bit too loose, just when you make this, tighten it down really tight, and it'll tighten it all up. I can't even get it in and out if I tighten it all the way. So, alright, that's about it. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, all that good stuff we tell you. My website's up in the cards. First down in the link. I got Amazon links with all this stuff. I put the glove in there, all that. So, yeah. This is it. Bushcraft's done. I can get on to some more folders. I got a few ideas for some more videos, but I think that's it. I'll make sure to put the playlist right here for this whole build, and my website's right there. Hope you all are having a great day, and as always, take it easy.